Hey guys, we got a new toy to open and review. It's the kids cosplay career costumes and it's an astronaut. And you can get this on Amazon for about $20. This was a third birthday present for Leilani. Thanks Amy and Rich for sending it to us. And I think Leilani's really gonna like this because she's really into astronauts right now. She likes putting large plastic containers over her head and pretending to be one. So let's open this up and I'll let you know what I think and see how she likes it. Leilani, come. We got a present for you. What do you think it is?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, let's. Mommy threw away the packaging, so here we got it. What is it?
I don't know.
What is it? You don't know? What do you think it is? What is that?
I don't know.
You don't know? What is that?
Rocket ship.
A rocket ship. It's an astronaut costume. You want to be an astronaut?
Yeah.
All right, take it out. Whoa, look at that. There's a helmet and gloves. Are there two gloves? And then a whole outfit. Look at that, Leilani. Do you want to be an astronaut? There's a helmet. All right, you want to try to put this on? Here, stand up. Let's do this together.
Let's be astronauts.
Yeah.
Your astronaut costume. My spaceship. Okay. That's not okay. Okay?
So it's a little big, but that's okay.
Families are different, and that's okay.
Yes, families are different, and that's okay. Do you want to wear the gloves?
But they are yours.
Oh wow, look at this. You want to wear the helmet?
No.
No, you want to try? You want mommy to wear it?
No. Stop, that's mine.
Who's yours?
Yeah. Oh
Okay.
no, I dropped my glove.
That's okay. Here, try it on the helmet. This is awesome. Where's your glove? Here you go. Here's your glove, astronaut Lonnie.
I'm not astronaut Nani. I'm Nani.
Okay, can you say bye?
Fine.
Bye. Hey guys, a few things I forgot to mention. We opened the astronaut costume a few days before the SpaceX NASA launch in Cape Canaveral, Florida. So it was really exciting to watch it this weekend and also have the costume at the same time. And we were explaining to her about astronauts going off into space and what they were doing at the space station. So she kind of made the two connections together. And also the costume says it's ages 3+, and then on the website it says 3 to 7. It's definitely a little bit big on her, but it's great though because she'll be able to grow into it. I don't think you have it on right, Leilani. Want me to do it?
No.
No.
All right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
0.
Oh, here we go. The rocket's going.
Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew
Whoa.
It's
so cool.
I think that's too
Whoa. There's people in that. Let's not say that. Yeah.
That's so far up to the moon.
Yeah, they're going into space.
It's going up to the moon so
Plus
far.
30 seconds into this historic mission. Flying crew on board Dragon and Falcon 9, and look at them go.
10, 9, 7,
Falcon
6,
power total
5,
nominal.
4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off.
M1D throttle down.
We're throttling down to Get ready for the period of maximum.
So I would say that toy was a success. You know, for 20 bucks, you can't really go wrong. I think it's a great gift to give to a toddler because it lets them grow their imagination, especially right now since we're all home during the pandemic. It's nice to have new exciting things for them. I would say the quality is the same as regular kids' costume materials, but it's an astronaut, so it's a little bit more exciting than some of the typical outfits. And I think she'll really like it. She'll have fun playing with it and pretending to be an astronaut, and maybe we'll make a spaceship for her out of a box. And here's Julian. You want to say hi? You want to say hi, Julian? Hi. Hi. Julian, are you going to smile for the camera? Are you going to smile for the camera? Yeah. Hi. Hi. Yeah. Say hi. Hi. You looking at yourself? You gonna be a good boy for mommy? You gonna be a good boy? You just turned 4 months old. You just turned 4 months old. Your whole life has been in the house because of coronavirus. Yeah, I said it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you're happy anyway, right? You're happy anyway, right? Yeah, my little boy. Hi.